Are you looking for a chic and stylish haircut that's easy to manage? In this video, I'll show you the best short hairstyles that are perfect for anyone looking to rock a short hairstyle. These timeless styles for older women are perfect for those who want a current look that's still stylish and sophisticated. First, let's talk about the classic pixie cut. This style is short all over with a bit of texture on the top. It's easy to maintain and looks effortlessly stylish. The classic pixie cut is perfect for those who want low maintenance yet sophisticated look. It highlights your facial features and gives a youthful vibe. Next, we have the textured pixie. This style adds more layers and volume to the traditional pixie, giving it a playful and modern touch. For those who love a bit of edge, the asymmetrical pixie is a fantastic choice. This cut features longer hair on one side and shorter on the other side, creating a bold and contemporary style. The curly pixie is fun and lively, highlighting your natural texture and giving you a youthful and vibrant look. enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more beauty and style tips. Until next time, stay fabulous.